Dicing an onion is simple, and the F&Sharp Santoku knife is perfect for this task, or feel free to use the F&Sharp chef's knife. We're going to cut the onion in half, making sure to cut through the root end and the top of the onion. The root end is actually going to hold all of the onion layers together when we start dicing. Next, place your onion in half, cut side down on the board, and cut off just the top of the onion. This is going to give you a little edge so you can peel back the layer of onion skin. If the first layer of that onion, the outermost layer, doesn't look all that great, feel free to peel back another layer of the onion. Grab yourself some damp paper towel, place this next to the onion as you're slicing it, and this will help so that way you don't tear up while slicing onions. Make evenly spaced slices, going from the root end towards the top, but make sure not to go all the way through to the root end. You want that to stay intact. Hold your knife horizontally and slice through, again making sure not to go all the way through the root end. Turn your onion to a slight angle and start chopping. You can chop the onion dice as large or small as you'd like. And there you have it, a simple, easy diced onion with uniform pieces.